Hey guys, this is Anthony with McQueen. I'm a product trainer out of St. Paul, Minnesota. Today we're going to be going over the TRUVAC HXX. We're going to be covering the water recirculation. We're going to be covering when is a good time to use it and how to initiate it and how to use it. So first, when is a good time to use it? Well, when you have water on board and when you have weather conditions like this, that is the perfect time to be using your winter recirculation. What this does is it allows for us to keep the water flowing through our pump system, through our tanks, through our burners when it is a cold environment outside. We're moving that water and keeping it from freezing. This does not heat the tank. This does not warm any of the lines. We're just simply moving water around to keep it from freezing. Now, the first thing we want to do is turn on our master switch and turn on our PTO. We need to have those on so we can run the pump and turn on the system. Another thing we can do as well is if we have a cabinet heater, we can also turn on the cabinet heater. We have to confirm that we have water on board. Here we have a half a tank of water. That's plenty of water to be moving around. Second, we want to come into our water cabinet here. We want to make sure that our rear hose reel, if equipped, is winterized. We do not recirc out of our rear station. Only the front station we can recirc. First, we want to turn on our front hose reel station. Turn on our pump, make sure we have water flowing through. We have water to our pump. We want to make sure we have no water draining out of here. We want a looped system. We're going to come over to our recirculation hookup in the corner of our cabinet. Hook up our front hose reel. Make sure it's connected properly. We want to turn on our pump and hit recirc. It's as simple as that. Once it's in recirc, we'll hear the truck come down to an idle. We can bring in our hose reel, close our cabinets, and we're going to leave our master switch and PTO on. We want to make sure our master switch is on, our PTO switch is on, and we have our red recirc light on, letting us know that our system is operating correctly and now we are okay to drive.